breathing, no, and I don't know. Joshua Bubola, no feel la fun Bubo daddy la. Bubo daddy na mo gavo mo nguom la.
The C, the B note, the C note, the A, and the G.
Yeah.
Let's write this notes down for Dana. Okay. So are you ready?
Okay.
I can even text it to you if you want. Okay.
Okay. Let me.
So I'm gonna just send it to you right now.
Okay.
So this is gonna be. You see, there are 3 fingers here. The 3 here.
Yeah.
All these 3, 1.
But
and 3.
Yeah.
You see that? All these 3,
yeah.
And then 1, 2, and 3. So all 6. You see that?
It is a say no. Into 3 no beba 2. Maybe the end 2 you know, it's like 2 holes.
Let me see. Move back. Let me see, please. Sorry. Take a half. You have 4. Yeah.
This one is 2 holes.
Oh, let's press 1.
Okay.
So that one is only just this. That's all. Don't touch the hole in the back. Okay.
Oh, okay.
That's
so just the second one.
Yeah. And then C, good. And then back to B. What's next? A, G.
Okay, so
that's B. B, D. C.
C. Okay. G, 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 B, D, C, B, A, B, C,
no,
B.
A, B, C, B, A, G.
Okay. A, B, C, B, A, G.
Yes.
A,
right.
B, C, B into.
Okay, hang on. C, B, C, B, C. C, B, C, B. Yeah, we said a scale is what? A set of notes in an ascending or descending order.
Yeah.
There are 8 notes in a major scale.
Yeah.
Did you talk about anything like a formula or
I can't remember ascending or descending up. So a scale is a set of notes.
Yes.
But I didn't get in ascending or descending order. C, yes, C major scale. So we have A, D, E.
No, from C. It starts on C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C.
D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Yeah.
You sure you have that?
Yeah.
Okay.
C, D, E, G, A, B, C.
C, D, E, F, G. You have F and G there?
Yes.
This is my C. That's my
Joshua. Now.
And where's your D? So D. And then D.